Alright YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. This is kind of just a quick update before the bike goes into the shop. I stripped all the fairings off of it. And what I really need to be worked on is my water pump. See right here, it got smashed off the little screw. And it's leaking, so whenever I start the bike it starts leaking, so they'll fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna order a new set of fairings. These ones are kind of scratched, but it's not that bad, honestly. Headed over to the Yamaha place to go get it fixed up. Well, it'll be a while. They gotta look at it first, and then after they look at it, then buy parts and then fix it. But yeah, this needs to be fixed. I'll be fixing this myself. It shouldn't be too bad. Really, I just need to buy a new one of these pieces. But yeah, let's see if she starts up. Ooh, like a charm. I put these on, but I'm gonna ask them why they're spinning so much. This thing is broken, it just comes out. But yeah, let's see if we can make it to the dealership. Kind of hard not having my foot on a peg. Right now I'm just resting it on the passenger peg. But yeah, by the next official video, I'll probably be using a different helmet and some other fancy schmancy stuff. Yeah, the bike seems to run pretty good though. Just need to fix that water pump. Get new fairings. This girl is butt naked. And we don't like driving around butt naked. That's not nice. We gotta be polite. This is actually the first time I've ridden it since I crashed. It feels so good. It's so weird driving it without the fairings on the sides. Huge news though, for all of my fairings that I'm getting, it's only gonna be like 200 bucks. 170 something to be exact. Well, I guess that's not exact, but it's exciting though. I feel like I should put both my legs on the passenger peg so that way it looks normal. But I'm not gonna. Well, thanks for watching this little update. I'll try to keep updating you guys, but it's probably going to be around like 500 or something to fix the bike up. Probably more like 700 to 1,000. It really all depends. We'll see. We'll see how much it's gonna be. Ooh. Alright. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Here she goes.